Traders, August 8, 2018, after the market close, going to provide an update on ticker symbol FUSZ. Still battling around the 50-cent range. Still looks like support. Obviously, it's getting scary around here as we see more red. But it's been trading around the 50-cent range for approximately 3 weeks now. Well, 2.5 weeks going into 3 weeks. It does look like support. We just want, some upside. And I know there's a seminar, video seminar being done by the CEO of FUSZ, I believe on August 14th. Maybe that'll help her go higher. I know he's taking questions. Feel free to reach out to him if you have any questions. I mean, my God, if you are in this position, you want to know why it dropped from $3 to about 50 cents. And, I would say it's profit takers, but there's reasons that it could do that aside from profit taking. Once again, follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Visit my site, thetradingteacher.com. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel.